Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the exact cell or text that already has the look you want. Click the Format Painter on the Home ribbon. This copies font, color, borders, and alignment simultaneously. Once done, a single click will let you apply formatting once. Double-click locks the tool so you can paint many areas. Make sure to confirm the source includes all properties you need. Sometimes conditional formats or styles aren't copied. Now move to the destination. You'll see the cursor change when Format Painter is active. Hover to preview results before committing. Click a single cell for a one-off transfer, or click and drag across a range to copy formatting across rows and columns. If you lock the painter, you can use Shift+click or the arrow keys to extend selections without reactivating it. Make sure to eyeball borders and alignment after applying, since merged cells can alt. To finish, press ESC or click the Format Painter icon again to turn it off. This prevents accidental reformatting. If formatting looks wrong, inspect for cell styles, conditional formatting, or merged cells that override simple paints. Those often need manual adjustment. Once done, use Paste Special Formats as an alternative when the painter misses complex elements like custom number formats. If something goes wrong, undo immediately, then adjust the source formatting and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.